Welcome to Bollywood Life. Like in the past 2 years, we have seen like a show like a Super Dancer and Dance Plus has done well, but shows like a Jhalak or a Najbali have not done that well on the TRP charts. Do you feel the audience that is there for dance show is strictly made of enthusiasts?
I I don't know if that is the case, but I know at the fact that people like watching show which is more real, and they like watching people from uh, like from nowhere to coming to something.
And like if on this stage you had to dance with one current like someone from Bollywood, if you would like to do like a Jugalbandi, who would that actor be?
I would say Prabhudeva.
Okay.
Yeah, I would
Why?
love to. I mean, I love the style. I am a big Michael Jackson fan, and uh, and he is India's Michael Jackson. So would love to dance with Prabhudeva anytime.
And how strict are you going to be?
I am always strict when it comes to dance, but yeah, I give them freedom also. I mean, I am not a strict कि मैं डांट दूँ और कुछ गलत बोल दूँ, बट सजेशन देता हूँ और शायद मेरे गलतियाँ निकालने का रीज़न ही है कि मुझे स्ट्रिक्ट बोलते हैं सब लोग.
And like everyone sees like a reality show judge and a reality show contestant, and we have got these notions, they work this hard or itna scripted रहता है. What is that one myth you would like to debunk?
I don't know about other shows, but whatever we do here, including me and my three mentors, uh, no one has script to read and this thing. So there's a myth that कि भी हम लोगों को script दिया जाता है judge के time, but in our show there's no script. We talk what we want to talk from our heart. So that's this thing.
And if you ever went on suppose like this is a hypothetical situation, there was a dance reality show for all the judges, you, Terence, and all of you, Geeta, all of you, and then whom would you like as your Mahaguru?
Who would I like to be my Mahaguru if I'm in a reality show? I would have said Michael Jackson, but unfortunately we can't get him here and we don't have him. But yes, Prabhudeva. He should be my guru, Mahamaguru.
And like there's a lot of talk about the Salman Khan movie, and everyone is like, how much you're going to make him dance. Have you thought about the leading lady?
Not right now, actually. We only have Salman Khan finalists right now, and we don't have. I mean, we're not yet finalized any leading lady in this film.
Because we are hearing a few names.
I know you've been hearing, and even I'm hearing a lot of names. So, let's
But
see.
anyone, like a dream casting, if you are visual, it's a dance movie. So anyone you would like to take, you would think like maybe from the younger crop, like you've seen a Disha or a...
All the girls are very good dancers. There is Alia, there is Shraddha, there is Jacqueline, there is all the young lot are very good dancers. Any of them would be great for me. Yeah.
And lastly, 2 days back we saw the trailer of Munna Michael wherein Tiger pays his tribute to Michael Jackson and Nawazuddin. What's your reaction on it? Did you like Tiger?
Yeah, of course I love Tiger, and he's one of the most hardworking actor we have. And I saw the trailer and I really loved it. I mean, he's a Michael Jackson fan. I'm a Michael Jackson fan. So great that somebody is giving a tribute, and it's in the form of film. So it's great.
And what about Nawaz Bhai?
Nawaz Bhai is amazing. I love. He's one of my favorite actor, and I would love to see him dance actually. Thank you.